Hi, I'm David King, and I'm the chairman of the Seed Library of Los Angeles. We are saving the open pollinated seeds from the past generations, preserving them for the future generations, and using them to feed current generations. We don't want to be a little library down in Venice. We intend that we will service the entire Los Angeles area. What we see in the very near future will be seed repositories at different community gardens. We want to be able to service especially underserved populations, people that need to grow their own food or they won't have good food. One of the good things about growing seeds in the city to save is in the city there are no genetically modified organisms being grown. So consequently, our seeds will never be crossed with any genetically modified properties. Professional plant breeders want to breed plants that are for professional production. They're not for the home gardener. And as of the time the technology became available, gene splicing is what they use to create their new varieties of plants. Gene splicing is what we call genetically modified organisms. A gene is taken from a different organism completely and spliced into the DNA of the plant. Nowhere in nature would this ever possibly occur. This is not just advanced hybridizing. It's not as though corn would ever in nature come up with its own pesticide inside of it. The ideal way to save seeds is to grow them. If we have you growing a plot of 15 plants and he's growing a plot of 20 plants and she's growing a plot of 30 plants, well, that's an aggregate of 65 plants, right? And that helps us with our genetic diversity. These seeds have evolved to be what we as human beings need to feed ourselves. This is a trust then of the past generation getting it forward to the new generation. These plants fed us in the past and they will feed us and continue to feed us in the future. And that to me means that we have a trust with the seeds, and the seeds have a trust with us, and other people, whether they know it or not, have a trust with us to protect and safeguard these seeds.